Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates and future perspectives of Intelset Design. So friends, it's a company which has a future ready multi-product fintech platform. And friends, it has a leading financial platforms for corporate banking, retail, brokerage solutions, treasury management, insurance, and it also recently installed, that means developed a product called Magic Aadhaar, an AI powered comprehensive Aadhaar processing solution. That means the end to end processing using Aadhaar based processing. That means, friends, for India, everything will linked with Aadhaar. So, if you want to sort anything, we can do with Aadhaar. That means, of anything, if you have phone number, you will give Aadhaar. We have to give Aadhaar. So, we can process with Aadhaar. But what this company made is artificial intelligence. It linked with artificial intelligence. So, the accuracy will be 98 point something. They accurately said like 98.8 like this. So this Magic Aadhaar an AI powered comprehensive, friends, and identifies, extract, validate, and mask Aadhaar details also, and it's a hyper digitalize the end to end process using Aadhaar based. So friends, by this, the Magic Aadhaar will provided by powered by IDX platform, and which can extract contextually related informations from bundles of unstructured, semi-structured, and structured sources using artificial intelligence technologies. So friends, the after results, that means the solution includes pipelines of computer vision, NLP, machine deep learning, and OCR. It can process over 500 document types in 87% less time and 98% accuracy rate. So friends, they given an extraordinary product who are willing to analyze based on other cards. So I am expecting so many enterprises will take this other Magic Aadhaar product from this company. So friends, and I am going to see that it has an IGBT. It's one of the product by this company, that is Intelliset Global Transaction Banking, the transaction banking specialist from Intelliset Design. This ranked as the world's number one transaction banking by IBS Intelligence in 2020. So friends, I am expecting the company will give multifold returns in coming days on banking moving to digitalization side. And the next thing is they already mentioned 50% of their business running on advanced markets. And friends, recently they announced their IGTB, Intelliset Global Transaction Banking, lives on Chinese banking system. So friends, this is also very good news. And recent developments are Bank Rakyat Indonesia chooses Intelliset's Wealth for their digital transaction. It is latest February news, 2021st February. And Veticom Bank launches VCB Cash App powered by IGTBS payments and cash management. That is from Intelliset Design. And 23rd November 2020, Burga Bank deployed IGTB banking platform. So friends, I am expecting this is the total this company looking for me as a good buy call, friends. And friends, going forward, 1 week will be like up and downs. I already mentioned with government positive moves on bonds, buying and selling short term, buying long term and selling short term. This week will be positive, I mentioned. So total week will be positive, but on Friday, due to COVID rises in Maharashtra and lockdowns in Nagpur, given a freak to the bull investors. And next, going forward, Pune also seeing surge in what you called COVID rises. So Monday also we can expect. But friends, in this analysis, I am going to say the FIIs and mutual funds and individual investors. So friends, in this company, promoters are holding like 31%, 31.3% friends. And friends, from last quarter to this quarter, promoter share decreased by 0.03%, and FIS increased 23.12 to 24.12. That means they bought on open market. And mutual funds decreased 3.57% to 2.96%, and institutional investors increased 28.17% to 28.86%. And friends, one thing I am going to mention is Amnesia Holding, one of the reputed investment company, holding 19 lakh shares in this company, and Duke Endowment Company holding 13 lakh shares, and Botanic holding 37 lakh shares, and AL Mehwar Commercial Investment Company holding 11 lakh shares, and promoters Anukal Avinash Verma nearly bought 3.3 lakh shares in last week. So friends, this is what I am going to say is the company having strong API ready solutions with easy integrations to various applications or data wallets. And friends, the company's member Prabhu further added the solutions further masks the first 8 digits of the Aadhaar number, leaving the last 4 digits open, and it is capable to run as a real-time API or in bulk process mode on stored documents. And friends, they are mentioned that the product Magic Aadhaar works on unstructured data also. This is also one of the huge development taken from IT side, that previously only raw format data is only processed and doing analytics, but nowadays unstructured data, photos, images, even they announced like artificial intelligence takes like eyes also. So friends, this is our view on Intelsat Design Arena total details. And friends, I am going to see the stock in nearby, like all is well with COVID, like 700 rupees. So friends, this is my view on Intelsat Design Arena. So thank you friends. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel friends. Thank you.